today's my birthday and I got all of these MeeMeows. And I'm going to open them. So first off, we have this one. I already took off the wrapping paper, so I just have to open it. And there's these little cat ears that pop out. So when I fold it, it's a little kitty cat.
Oh, that's a cute box. Oh. And they're all surprise ones, right?
Yep.
So you don't know what you're getting.
Being as careful as I can be. And I already have one of these. I have this one right here, the jellyfish cat. So I'm hoping I don't get doubles, and it doesn't look like I got a double. I think this is the shark cat.
Oh, that's cute.
I'm going to see quickly if that is the shark cat. I'm pretty sure it is. Oh no, it's the whale cat. I'm just gonna keep this out so I can see which one they are. And this one's a common. The other one I have is an uncommon. So now I'm gonna open this one. And the plastic's still on it.
So this one is uncommon, meaning?
Most people are gonna get it. I'm hoping for the rare one, the sea turtle, or the turtle cat. So yeah. And these are all of what I could get.
Okay.
There's 8 to collect.
Okay.
And these are limited editions. Oh, that's probably one of the weirdest ways I opened that. Just gonna. And then this is the box without the cat ears.
It doesn't have cat. Oh, okay.
On the top.
Oh, I see.
They
Oh, I see.
Meow, meow, meow. Okay, back to unbox my second one. Here you go. The gray wrapping paper. Which way is the long way? There it is. I'm just gonna, a lot of crinkling. Okay, I'm gonna open it by the hole, so then it's easier. And it looks like I have got the stingray cat.
Is that the one you wanted?
I want them all.
Oh.
For the most part. And I'm placing them over here. So I'm gonna close this box now. Gonna put up top. Gonna shut it off. Now we're on to this one. Box number 3. Cat ears up. Always gotta keep the cat ears up. I'm really hoping this is either hopefully the dolphin one or the sea turtle one, or I really want the octopus one. Okay. I've got the dolphin.
Oh, that's a cute one.
And this one is a common. So now we have this one. Gotta close this. Hopefully I don't get any doubles today. Hopefully not really any.
So far, so good, right?
Yeah. Check that off. Now on to my fourth one. Okay. Got that stuck for a second. I'm gonna see if I can try and guess which one I got this time. Yeah, they feel all the same. I'm just hoping it's either the sea turtle, so I can get a rare one, or the octopus. That one looks cute. Hopefully not a jelly cat, because I already have that one. Jellyfish cat. I like calling her jelly cat. Her back has a little star on it. Where is the hole? Oh, there is the hole. I see a little bit of purple.
Wow.
And there I can see a little bit purple. And there's only one purple one, and that's the octopus.
Wow.
It's so cute. It has little bubbles on the side. So that's box number 4. Now we're on to box number 5. Just gotta close this so I can put her on top. We're getting a pretty good. We're getting pretty
That's
far.
pretty good.
This is
No
my
doubles yet.
no doubles. Hopefully not. Knock on wood. Just gonna quickly knock on some wood.
There you go.
Please don't be pink, purple, or any blue. Please be orange, green, or red. Hopefully, it's green.
And if you get a double, can you trade with somebody?
I could sell it, and then I could get another one.
Uh-oh, you got a double.
It's a cute one, though.
Oh, you didn't get a double,
What?
though.
No, this is a double.
Of which?
Jellyfish cat.
But I don't see that one. You
Right
don't
there.
have it.
It's just lighter.
But I don't see it here.
Yeah, but I already have, it's just not,
Oh.
I have it.
Well, you know what? That's okay. That's pretty good that
Yeah.
you only got one double.
Yeah, I'm still probably gonna keep her though. She's too, she is the first one I've ever got.
Yeah.
Like, she is so stinking adorable. Like, I love her. And she comes with little
Aw,
pickles, and on
that
her
is
back
super
is a little
cute.
star. And then how you can tell if it's a common, non-common, or rare, it has a little patch.
Oh, do the other ones have patches too?
Yep.
Oh, I see.
I got mostly uncommons. Like,
Mostly common?
yeah,
Okay.
common. Uncommons have hearts.
Oh, I see.
We got none that, actually, she has a heart. She's an uncommon.
Oh,
No rares today, sadly.
well, maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Just need to get more before they're out, because these are limited edition.
There you go.
So I'm just gonna put it ×2
Okay,
by her. So,
there you go. Well, that was a good birthday haul.
yep. And they're all so cute. Make sure to get some before they leave stores. They are so stinking adorable. And I can't hold them all, but they are so cute. And their boxes are also so cute. And if you don't get these, don't worry, there's still other ones. And they're called MeeMeows. And you can also find them at I think Aphmau.com or MeeMeows.com, I don't know. but you could probably find them on Amazon.
Okay. Well, thank you for showing us them.